Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth text animation in CapCut PC Pro version to give your videos a more professional look. Let's check it out. Alright folks, so the first thing we're going to do today is go to the text tab here on our left. So I'm just going to click on that, and we're just going to add a text layer to the timeline. So I'm going to just click on this blue circle right here. From there, I'm going to click on the edge, hold the click, and drag it back so that it's about 2.5 seconds here. So I'm just going to drag it to right about there. And then what I'm going to do is customize the text itself. So I'm going to highlight default text, and I am actually just going to put in smooth text. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to go to font, and then I'm just going to type in Arial, so A-R-I-A-L, black, and hit enter. And then I'm going to click on this one right here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change the color of a letter or a specific word in CapCut PC here. Now it's really easy. All you got to do is highlight either the letter or the word. So I'm just going to highlight S there in the text box here, and then just come down to color and choose whatever color you want. And that's how you do it. All right, so it's quite easy. So I'm going to highlight entire word smooth. And then I'm going to go to color, and I'm going to make all of that red. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a specific animation for this particular tutorial. All right. Now I'm just going to go down here, and it's going to be bounce left. Now this will be a pro animation here. Okay. So if you do not have CapCut Pro, I do have a link in the description below. Now, if you were to click on that and upgrade to CapCut Pro, I would get a little bit of a commission, okay? Just to let you know. Now, what we're gonna do next, I do have the bounce left animation, but it automatically sets a duration of 0.5 seconds. I'm gonna change that to 2. So I'm gonna hit 2 right here, and then hit enter. So now it's 2 seconds. So we have our animation. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back here. And I want to give it some glow, but the problem is if we go and take the playhead, so select the playhead, bring it to the very beginning, and go to glow, and select either one of the pro feature glow right here or the free glow, it doesn't show until after the animation is complete. Okay, so there is a workaround for this. I'm going to unhighlight glow, and then I'm going to go up to effects here, and I'm going to search in the search bar for colorless flash. That's C-O-L-O-R-L-E-S-S space flash, F-L-A-S-H. Okay, and then hit enter, and you wait a minute, and then here we have colorless flash. So I'm just going to bring the playhead to the beginning. I'm going to click on this, drag and drop it down to the timeline, make sure it starts at the very beginning of the timeline. And then what I'm going to do is click on the edge of the effect and make it the same size as the actual text box. So click, hold the click, drag it until I see the blue vertical line here. Now it's the same size as the text. Perfect. Now we do have to make some adjustments for this particular effect. Okay, so the details are right here. What we have to do is we have to change the range. I'm just going to change this to 50. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. The atmosphere, I'm going to bring this up to 100. All right. The glow, I'm going to make this about 10. Enter. The speed, I'm going to click on this and drag it to the complete left. So you can see everything here. If you have to pause it, that's fine to put these particular numbers in. Okay. So I'm just going to play this, and it looks like that. That looks pretty good, but there are still some modifications that we can do to make everything a little bit smoother. So the first thing we're going to do is I am going to create a compound clip, and then we're going to add a motion blur to it. All right. And how we're going to do that is I'm going to click on the right here, hold the click, and drag it over these 2 clips. Then what I'm going to do is hold down on Alt on my keyboard and hit G as in George. And then I'm just going to drag this down so that it's the bottom layer here. And then I'm going to take the playhead, move it here. I'm going to go over to video, and then I'm going to go down here to where it says motion blur. Okay, so I'm going to click on motion blur. It's automatically going to process, and it goes to 100. I'm actually just going to change that to 50, so 50, hit enter, and then I'll just play it quickly here. and that looks pretty smooth. It looks pretty good, so I like that. Now there's just a couple of more things I'd like to do. I'd like the size of the text to increase as it comes out. And how we can do that is we can just go under video, there's basic, and we are on basic there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a keyframe at the beginning of this particular clip. And how I'm gonna do that, for scale, I'm gonna make the keyframe right here at 100%, okay? And then it's gonna add a keyframe down there. And then I'm gonna go to the end of the clip, and I'm just gonna make this 120. So I'm gonna put 120, hit enter, and since there was a keyframe at the beginning, there will be a keyframe because there was change at the end. It's going from 100 to 120. So as you can see, this gets bigger. That looks pretty good. There is just one more thing that I would like to do. Well, there's a couple more. The first thing is I'm going to hold down on Alt. So with this clip highlighted, I'm gonna hold down on Alt and hit K. And then I'm gonna click on this and drag so that it goes over the keyframe right here. And then I'm gonna go to the graph and I'm just gonna put ease, okay? So I'm just gonna make it a little smoother by putting it ease. And I'm gonna X out of that. And then I'm gonna hold down on Alt, hit K. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give this a little bit of fade out, all right? And how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna move left on my keyboard 1 frame. So I'm just gonna hit the left arrow once. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and expand blend here. So just like basic, it has all this information. You just go down to blend, expand it. And then with that, I'm going to put a keyframe right here and I'm gonna change this to 0. All right, hit enter. And then I'm gonna move left 10 frames, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I am going to change this to 100%. So 100, hit enter, and there. That's exactly what I want. That will give a fade out effect, as you can see here. So I'm gonna put this on full screen, we'll play it, and this will be the final product. Let's take a look. All right, so folks, that is a quick tutorial on how to create a smooth text animation in CapCut PC. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.